this seems as good a time as any to do this. Jaime wanted to come out for a quick jaunt to Walmart or some shit, and this is me introducing myself to YouTube, I guess, to the internet, huh? My name's Kurt. This channel is gonna be called Good Idea Moto, and I really don't have like a set goal for it yet. This one's gonna be a new adventure for me. So we're here in Salem, Oregon. It's a beautiful night, probably about 50 degrees or so, and goddamn, winter can go fuck itself. He's getting some attention. I don't think that time's right. I don't think it is 8. Is it 8? No, it's 9. He's really got to get better at feathering that clutch off the start. I'm gonna get myself pulled over. I gotta chill. Flashing blue lights just scared the shit out of me. God damn. Oh, let's catch up to Jaime. What is this? Is this one of those prowlers? It is a prowler. Fuck, I smell Mexican food. Yeah, back there. Oh shit! The law! Yeah! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Oh, they're giving up. Alright, here we go. Go. That was a good fucking first gear entry. I like that. Let's get more of that. Bye, weird ass Plymouth Prowler. Hello, Taco Bell. Fuck, I'm hungry. This is what happens. I spent all day on the bike today, and it made me real hungry. Coming up on Wally World, so this is gonna be a short cut, and then I don't know, I'll fucking paste back in whatever it is that we get from Wally World, and then I'll probably go get food. God, the fuzz are out tonight. And green light? Green arrow? Yeah, green arrow. That's what's up. Love when my bike triggers the sensors, because it ain't that often. Yo, that's a spot. No? Okay. I guess we're going elsewhere. Okay, alright. Whew. Cut! This is what happens when you don't remember to bring your mask. It does work out. I was doing kind of a little video introduction, so yeah, I guess this is just part of the story now. So you want what, GoPro batteries and then a mount? Oh, phone charger, that's right.
I kind of want to see the gadgets.
Well, this is gadget area.
I'm like an autopilot right now. Let's see how I'm right.
There's a bunch of Apple charging cables in there.
Oh, they got it locked up.
It's a high theft item.
Great, now I gotta find a guy. Let's find the GoPro stuff in case we don't gotta make 2 missions for them. Oh, there you are.
Oh yeah, shit, the whole end cap. Did you find somebody, dude?
Hey, dude, yeah, I asked this guy, he's finishing something up.
Okay.
I needed another thing, but I think you need something from her?
Yeah. Do you need something unlocked?
Yeah, keyboard over
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Let's mosey.
Now if we can just find a map or something. That guy looked like he wanted to strangle me when I asked
Yeah,
him.
he was like really.
I was like, just one more item, please. Please don't strangle me. I'm just ready to go in the chip aisle.
Fuck, don't put me in the chip aisle. I'll buy everything. Whew.
What's going on here? Does this merge into 2 lanes or?
This is the passing lane.
Alright.
It was legal. It was legal. Oh. How do we get out?
Hold on, it's not serious.
This works. How do we leave? Wait, I'm sorry?
Check out. Check out.
Oh, we checked out in electronics.
No, this is in only.
We have to go through checkout? Okay.
Sorry. I got a receipt.
No, Jaime, you don't get it. This solves so many problems. Look, now we have to look like we're cutting everyone. Excuse us. We gotta go out the other side, remember?
That way.
It's this way.
This one. This one.
Oh, now it's that way. Okay.
She's looking at you like,
I don't care.
got away. Alright. We made it out in one piece.
If she wants to stop me and talk to me, she can buy me dinner.
Hold on, I need a minute, dude.
Really took it out of you, huh?
Got this at a gas station.
Yeah.
You're violated.
That'll teach us to go to Walmart.
Don't ever let me come to the store again. Did you say you're still hungry?
Fuck, I'm hungry. Right on the nose, huh?
Yeah, because I don't know if you noticed on my videos, it almost looks like I'm flying.
Yeah.
Can I throw this in here?
Yeah, man. Got your GoPro too. It's a good thing that she stopped us from going out that way. We would have died.
Yeah. Hot lava.
That would have been it.
Very good. What do you want to hit up?
It's 9:30. What's open?
Big yard?
I don't think so. I think everything closes there at 9. We can go see.
And then work our way back and then see what we can hit.
Yeah, sure.
I'm recording, right?
It looks like it. You got a red light flashing. No?
Yeah. Look, right now when you pass it.
Alright. Let's see what he's talking about. The lowrider event. Oh shit! Ain't never lied. This breeze is really doing it for me. Damn it, the stoplight heard me. That's new. Awfully bold to start a business in a pandemic. Good luck. Oh, doggy doggy. The Borks. So we're gonna go check out the yard. It's a food park. And like a food truck park where people are fucking awful at social distancing and wearing masks and shit. So we'll see how that goes. I don't even think they're going to be open. It's a Saturday night, so maybe. And we get to be one of the million other people turning left on State Street right here. Let's see how this goes. There's no way we're going to make this light cycle. No way. Especially since, like, 2 of the front people didn't even notice the light was changed. And just a leisurely trot right up to the front, because there's no way we're gonna make this. My God, what the fuck? Are we gonna make this? I guess we made it. Universe really felt like proving me wrong today. All right. We got Jaime in tow. Yowza. Ooh, clean. Helps to have your key. What is that, a party?
We got the karaoke working.
Oh my God. It ain't looking good.
Yeah, we'll probably take a picture around.
Man, Fab was singing Sugar Ray in my ear all day today on our last ride. Now they're playing it again. Closed. Shit. Clean. I don't know, man. Broom, broom.
I've never been there. It's good.
It is good. Woo. Ay. Wow. Man's almost just set the car alarm off. Oh, just put a leg down. Failed my motorcycle exam. Cops, cops, cops. Is that a bike? What is that? That is a bike. Oh, and all along there would be cops right here. Time for short shifting. And there's 30. We'll let him do 40. Very, very tame downshifts incoming. I'm not sure where he's trying to go. I'm not sure where you were trying to go, dude, so I was saying he can lead.
I like when you leave downtown. I've been lost here.
Alright. Yo, heads up. I was already in first. I don't know why I thought I was in second. Scenic, beautiful downtown Salem, featuring everything closed. False neutral? No, little real neutral. And zoop. Oh, the old kickstand trick.
GoPro, tell me I'm awesome.
Oh, fuck.
You're relaxing.
Yeah,
Downtown.
I like riding around at night. All right, that's it. Bye.